I will share with you the pleasure I have to live in Gdańsk and also to manage SNG company. As you know, Gdańsk is located at the north of Poland, near the Baltic Sea, in the Pomeranian region, which is a nice region with a lot of lakes, forests, and nice villages. The town of Gdańsk has a long history with an industrial image due to port activity and industrial activity in the past. But now this is a nice town with many museums, many activities in the summer for tourists, many sandy beaches in the Baltic Sea. It's the capital of the Amber, and it was awarded in 2017 Best European Destination. So I encourage you to come as soon as possible to visit this nice city. Now we'll speak about SNG. SNG means it's a joint venture between Saur and the town of Gdańsk. Saur has 51% and the town has 94%. Neptune being, as you know, the god of living water and sources. Some figures about Saur Group. Saur deserve 13 million of residents all around the world, have 9,000 employees, 1.25 billion euros per year, and 7,000 partners, local authority in France. And the town of Gdańsk has 464 inhabitants, and SNG manage in all the water and wastewater systems in Gdańsk and Sopot. In all, it is about 500,000 inhabitants, and we have a main contract with the town of Gdańsk, which started in 1993 and will finish in 2023. So now I propose to see a small video of SNG, and I will try to translate the Polish words or Polish written. We have 500,000 people. Producimos 27 millones de litros al año. Tratamos 35 millones de aguas residuales. We have 140,000 international per year. This is our control center. Laboratory, we analyze around 240,000 per year. Project for individual clients. We also provide services to industrial clients. We have a mobile application. We make the service with innovative and intelligent method. Todo lo que hacemos lo hacemos para vosotros. Okay, now if you can come back to the presentation. Okay, here you can see the head office of SNG. They are old buildings which belong in the past to the Prussian army. They were stable for horses, and in the offices we can see still the rings which tied the horses in the past. Now you can see some figures about SNG, 74 million euros per year, 532 people, 27 million of water produced, 24 million cubic meter water sold. As I said before, we have 100% of our counters meter read by radio. We have 180 facilities connected, all facilities connected to our operational control center, more than 2,200 kilometers of network, and more than 140,000 interventions for water and wastewater per year. Here in more details about water production, we have a main station of water, complete surface water treatment. It produced around 29,000 cubic meter per year. The rest of production is made by wells, 90 wells, which product 84% of the total water production, and per day it's about 72,000 cubic meter. For wastewater, we have a unique wastewater treatment plant for Gdańsk and Sopot. It's a biological treatment with sludge dewatering, also sludge incineration, and production of biogas, and transforming the biogas in heat and electricity into electricity by a cogeneration station. Now I will show you the operational control center. You can see the structure with 34 people. And the main feature, the relationships between our operational control center and infrastructure with alarm and SCADA all connected. The field activities with information online of the GIS, and all job orders managed by the operational control center. The laboratory with the laboratory management, information management system. We have directly data coming to our operation control center. And for clients, we have a mobile application which shows information in Gdańsk. Also, I can now make a demo of this mobile application. So we have information about news of SNG. For example, we can see that we provided directly water from the network to Marathon. We have also information of breakages, only breakages who gives an impact to the clients, cut of water, and so on. If you click and put your address, you can have also the quality of the water, the carbonate calcium in your sector. We also have we made analysis of the Baltic Sea bacteriological data in the summer for tourism. Also, we have tariffs in this application. And if you have any issue, you can click your address, location, and the nature of the problem, and we can make intervention as soon as possible. So, okay, if we can come back to the presentation. Okay. Okay, and this was for client. As I said before, breakages, information of breakages for clients are only information which provide cut-off water, flooding, for example, or traffic jam. If not, we have all information. Even if I am here, I have in my smartphone all by SMS intervention of the team. So I can give to local authority anytime information on saying how is the progress of the repair, for example. And for management, we have also KPIs online in our tablet or smartphone. If I go there, we can see the KPIs for the months of November. 4 categories of KPIs. The blue ones are KPIs for potable water. Orange are 2 KPIs for wastewater. 3 KPIs of cost of electricity, cost of chemical products, and cost of sludge incineration in pink, and 3 KPIs for productivity, preventive maintenance, average time of intervention for water and wastewater, and also KPI for health and safety. I don't have time, but if we click on the icon, we can see graphical details of each KPIs with all information, starting time to repair, ending time to repair, nature of problem, etc., etc. How we manage this? We manage all the company by initiatives. Initiatives linked to 5 axes. First, commercial conquest, customer culture, team commitment, excellence of exploitation, advanced know-how. These axes are given by the Saur Group, and we'll see now in SNG how it is transformed. For commercial conquest, we had success in this year, winning the public tender for the port of Gdańsk. So we manage now the water and wastewater system in the port, and we serve 24 or 7 days. We provide water to the ships. Yes. For customer culture, the most relevant action and initiatives were the modernization of our operational control center and also the customer reception area. It's modernized in a very modern and dynamic style. It integrates perfectly into the old architecturally classified building that we saw before. For team commitment, we have equal pay, women and men at post. We have only practical training now oriented towards management and IT, and of course health and safety is very important. We also make sponsoring and promotions, events, for example, fountains. We install fountains in the small schools. We have made also a big event in 2017 for the 25 years of SNG with about 800 people. And we make also charitable actions, for example, breakfast for poor people in Easter and December. Excellence of exploitation. We have an excellent ratio of performance of networks, 92%, 100% of conformity for wastewater treated, and 84% of maintenance preventive, which is also a good ratio. And now the progress from the beginning of the contract for water quality, starting in 1993 by 8%, we are now 100% conformity according to the European norms. We decrease the losses of water, decrease the breakages, and also we have 100% conformity for wastewater treated. And after 2 years, only 2 years after the beginning of the contract, we could reopen the beaches which were closed since 1978 or 1978, and it was a great success for the town and for SNG. Advanced know-how, so it's mainly for us at this moment the model, mathematics model for water and wastewater. They are not simplified model, they are totally linked with the GIS and fully calibrated by measurement on the field. We use this, for example, last year we had a large gathering in Gdańsk with European Jamboree 2018, means the Scouts, the European Scouts, with 15,000 people gathered in one place. So we promoted. Okay, so I will go quicker. It's the last slide, and the end. We can see in the black screen. You can see the age of the water, which has from less than 24 to 6 days maximum, and you can see two innovations that we made in 2018, visualization on the smartphone in the field of the GIS by read meter replacing, and also hydrant verification, and also all facilities are visible in the SCADA in the field. So thank you very much. And